Hey everyone, yeah, be sure to subscribe please. Hey everyone, this is Noble switched on, and today we're going to be playing Botanicraft. Yay! Ever since I decided to reboot the entire series, like, I got a bit of motivation from a very old comment, and like, okay, I think what we're going to do is we're going to set it to easy this time. We're now going to set it to easy. By the way, I have no idea why the trumpet is aggressive to the player, like, or at least I'm pretty sure it's aggressive to the player. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a house so that I can defend myself from the zombies. Because otherwise I die instantly as soon as one swarm. I know the point is that they are very dangerous, but I want to have like one bastion against them, you know? So I'm going to get a okay, I'm going to get one of these. This is going to be interesting. Oh, it's like a stationary mob now. It doesn't matter, Crazy Dave. Either way, I think I'll set it to easy now. I'm going to have to deal with zombies. Oh god. I've seen what these zombies can do to you. Like, it's one shot. They can almost one shot you if you're unlucky. Going to buy multiple of these.
The zombies are coming.
Already almost dead. That's how crazy this is. Going to get the next one, but I'm not going to do it today. Like, this episode is just... My goodness. Am I lucky I survived? Oh, great. He died. Never mind. Interesting. Well, this is going to just be a beginner mode. I'm going to do a separate series on normal mode. And that'll be fun. Hey, it's so hard. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Please be sure to like, subscribe, hit comment, hit the bell, and share. I've been enjoying. Goodbye, and there's Noble shutting down.